To cover the second point, let us solve problem 5 from worksheet 5. We want to compare the average length and time of absorption for two remedies A and B. The drug A was given to a sample of 12 people, so was drug B. The average for the first brand is 20.1 minutes with a standard deviation of 8.7, and the second brand has a next bar of 18.9 with a standard deviation of 7.5. Question A. Step 1. We state our hypothesis. The claim always goes in H1. We are claiming that the average are different, so H1 would be stated as follows: mu1 different than mu2, and the complete opposite in H0, so mu1 is equal mu2. Step 2, alpha is equal 5%. Step 3, we calculate T. We use the second formula since the standard deviation of the population is unknown, but they are assumed equal as stated in the given. That will lead us to a T calculated of 0.362. To find critical T, we draw a normal curve with two tails. To find T critical, we need three information. Alpha is equal to 0.05. It's a two-tailed test. The degree of freedom is equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2, which equals to 22. We go to T table. We find a T critical equals to 2.074. If T calculated falls between minus 2.074 and 2.074, we do not reject H0, while if T calculated is higher than 2.074 or lower than minus 2.074, we reject H0. In our case, T calculated is equal 0.362, which falls between minus 2.074 and 2.074, so we do not reject H0. Question B. P-value is another way to decide whether to reject H0 or not. In our case, T calculated is equal 0.362. In the row of 22 as a degree of freedom, we find that 0.362 is less than 1.321. So P-value would be higher than 0.2. So P-value is higher than alpha, and we do not reject H0. This result is the same as in the 5 steps hypothesis testing.